Hey guys, today we are going to learn about the distance formula. That's finding the distance between two ordered pairs. So I have the distance formula written out here for us. C equals the square root of x2 minus x1 in parentheses squared plus y2 minus y1 in parentheses squared. So this video is just going to go into where the distance formula comes from. And it comes from the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that comes from a right triangle where one side is A, one side is B, and the hypotenuse, the side across from the 90-degree angle, is C. So that's why I have this C here in the formula. And we get that, the x2 minus x1 and the y2 minus y1 from our slope formula. Now, if we had two ordered pairs on a graph, all right, so let's just draw us a coordinate plane. Right, so if I had two ordered pairs on a graph, so let's just say I have an ordered pair here, I have an ordered pair here. Right, so to find that distance, we would do our slope triangle. So to find the slope of that line, we would take our slope triangle, right? And this distance, right, is the subtraction of our y values, y2 minus y1. This distance up here is x2 minus x1. That's our run, rise over run, right? So this y2 minus y1 is the same thing, because this makes a triangle, it's the same thing as this a value. This is the same thing as this b value. It's the sides of your triangle. So that's why this goes straight into the formula here. Right? This is a squared plus b squared. Now, the reason we have the big square root symbol is because of this square right here on the C. If you notice, it's gone from the formula. To get rid of a square, we take the square root of both sides. So the distance formula is just the square root of your run squared plus your rise squared. So that's where this x2 minus x1 comes from, the rise over run from your slope formula. y2 minus y1 is your rise. So hopefully that just helps you understand where the distance formula comes from. I'll do another video about how to use this formula, so make sure you watch that video as well.